Welcome back to the Aussie Prepper channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the 5 core property rights that every property owner in Australia has. Now these 5 rights are often described as the bundle of rights relating to property. So let's have a look at what they are. Number 1, the right to use and enjoy your property. Now this right has to be exercised within the legal bounds of the law. So you can't be using your property for illegal activity. It has to be legal activity. But you do have the right to enjoy your property. The second right is the right to keep others out of your property. You as the property owner have the right to prevent others from entering your property and also from using your property. For others to be entering or using your property, you have to give them permission to do so. Now, people are allowed to enter your property to come to the front door. However, you can take those rights away simply by having your property fenced in and keeping a gate locked and having a no trespassing sign at the entry point to your property. That takes the presumed right of entry away from people. So if someone has to climb over a fence or gate to enter your property, clearly it means you don't want them in there. There's a reason you have locked the gate and you have put up a fence. But I've got another whole video about that topic and the case law that applies to it, and I can link that video down below for you if you're interested in watching that, if you haven't already seen it. Now the third right is your right to sell or give away your property. So if you no longer want your property, you've got the right to sell it to someone else, or you can give it away to someone, or you can leave it to someone in your will, and then it becomes an inheritance for that person, who will then become the new owner of that property once you pass away. So you do have the right to sell, give away, or leave in your will the property that you own. The fourth right with your property is the right to control your property. You as the owner of the property have the right to make decisions about your property, how it is looked after, whether or not you put up a fence, and all that sort of stuff, provided again it is within the law. So you still need to comply with any laws and regulations. However, you do have a basic right to control your property, how it is maintained and how it is managed. Right number 5 is to earn an income from your property. You can derive income from your property by either renting it out or leasing it out. And that is your right to do so. No one can stop you from doing that. Now, if you've got any disputes in relation to those rights, I highly advise to seek some legal advice in relation to your property. And probably be aware of what the laws are that do apply to your property, that do put certain restrictions on the property. So if you have a property that has certain restrictions on it, let's say you're not allowed to build on it, then obviously you can't build on that property. All your rights have to be exercised within the laws, and you should be aware of any of those rules and regulations before you buy the property. However, this is part of your property risk assessment, and I've got another whole video about that as well already. So if you're interested in that, maybe go and have a look at that video as well. Now, if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favor, leave your question down below, and I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability, or maybe some of the other viewers will answer those questions as well. I do get hundreds of comments on all my videos, so hopefully I'll find the time to get to yours. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Aussie Prepper. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.